UN High Commissioner for Human Rights Zeid Ra'ad al-Hussein said at least 50 people died from Monday's clashes, but the Congolese government has reported fewer deaths, putting the toll at 32. Zeid strongly condemned what he called clearly excessive use of force by defense and security forces, noting that some civilians were killed by gunshots to the head or chest. He warned of a large-scale crisis if the government doesn't pull back from its extremely confrontational position and build bridges with the opposition. The DRC's Electoral Commission has said the election will take place next year, but no clear timing has been set. MONUSCO, the UN mission in the DRC, called on political actors to refrain from acts that could lead to death and destruction of property. But beyond applying pressure, the peacekeeping mission's reach is limited. And while calls for UN Security Council sanctions have been brought to the table in the past, member states are too often split on the efficacy of imposing sanctions. But the wider international community has been engaged as well, with the African Union seeking strategies to ensure a peaceful, democratic election process. The U.S. has also been instrumental in pushing for President Kabila to allow free and fair elections to take place as scheduled. Washington pledged earlier this month to impose sanctions on those responsible for violence during upcoming elections, noting that the DRC government must respect the rights of peaceful protesters. Mimi Chahaman, CCTV, New York.